Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Vivo V29 Pro smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to turn off screen lock unlocking sound in your phone Vivo V29 Pro. While locking and unlocking your phone, there will be a sound. Listen to the sound now. I lock my phone. There is a small sound. I unlock my phone. There is a small sound. So while locking and unlocking, there will be small sound. If you would like to turn off this sound, yes, you can do it. What you have to do is go to the settings of your phone here, then go to sounds and vibration, and here just turn off this button, screen locking sound. Turn off this button so that you will not get any sound while locking or unlocking your phone. Okay, I locked my phone, there is no sound. I unlock my phone, there is no sound. In this way, you can easily turn off screen lock or unlocking sound in your phone Vivo V29 Pro. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.